Hello and welcome student. Today we are going to start chapter 8, editing a worksheet. MS Excel is a very popular and excellent application software used for performing mathematical calculation. Example, addition, subtraction, division and other calculation. It display data in the form of the rows and column. It is one of the components of MS Office and spreadsheet. Workbooks Workbooks are the file in which data is fed. The working area of spreadsheet consists of rows and columns. Data can be represented and compared in the form of the chart so that data can be easily analyzed. We can maintain data systematically. We can add data and edit its content. Step 2, use undo command. Press Ctrl plus Z key simultaneously. Step 2, use redo command. Press Ctrl plus Y key simultaneously. Next one, using cut, copy and paste option. Follow the given step to copy. Step 1, select the cell to be copied, move. Step 2, click on the home tab. Step 3, select copy or cut option from the clipboard group. Step 4, place the cursor where you want to your cell content to be copied, move. Step 5, click on paste option from the home tab. Next one, using mouse cursor. Step 1, select the cells to be copied. Step 2, place the cursor anywhere around the border of the selected cells except on the lower right corner. Shape of the cursor will be changed to four-headed arrow with an arrow. Step 3, click on and drag the cursor to be blank cell to move the content. To copy the content, press Ctrl key. Four-headed arrow with an arrow will change to an arrow with plus sign. Now click and drag the cursor to be blank cell. As soon as you release the mouse button, content will be copied or moved to the destination cell. Next one, cell only the format. Step 1, select the range or cell to copy. Step 2, click on copy command from home tab. On press Ctrl plus C key. Step 3, move the pointer and position where you want to copy. Step 4, click on paste. Special option for paste option under home tab. Step 5, choose formulas option to paste formula and choose format option to paste format. Step 6, now click on OK button. The format formula will be copied. Next one, insert row. Step 1, click on row or anywhere you want to in the cell. Step 2, go to home tab, cells group. Step 3, click on the insert option. Step 4, select the insert sheet rows. Step 5, a new row will be inserted above the selected row. Next one, insert column. Step 1, select the cell or column where you want to insert new column. Step 2, go to home tab, cells group. Step 3, click on the insert option. Step 4, click the insert sheet column option. Step 5, a new blank column will be inserted on left side of selected column. Next one, delete cell. Step 1, select the range or cell that required to be deleted. Step 2, go to home tab. Step 3, click on the delete option. Step 4, click on the delete cells option from the list. Step 5, select the required option from the dialog box. Step 6, click on the OK button. Delete rows or column. First, select the rows and column that needed to deleted. Step 2, click on the home tab. Step 3, click on the delete option from the cells group. Step 4, click on the delete sheet rows option or delete a row or delete sheet column option to delete a column. Next one, changing row height using format menu. Step 1, select the row to increase, decrease its height. Step 2, go to Home tab, Cells group. Step 3, click on the Format option. A sub-menu will be there with options. Under the group, Head Cell Size, Visibility, or Organize Sheets and Protection. Step 4, click on the Row Height option. Row Height dialog will be appear. Step 5, enter the height in the box. Step 3, click on the OK button. The selected row's height will be changed. The default row height in MS Excel 2010 is 15. Next one, to change column width using format menu. Step 1, select the column to increase decrease column width. Step 2, click on the Home tab. Step 3, click on the Format option from the Cells group. Step 4, click on the Column Width option. Step 5, enter the width in the box. Step 6, click on OK button. The width of column will be changed. The default column width in MS Excel is 8.43. Now next one, autofill feature. Autofill feature of MS Excel allow you to fill data in cells automatically when you need a series of consecutive numbers, weeks, dates, days, month, etc. Then autofill feature lets you enter a predefined series of data or value. Follow the given step. Step 1, type Monday and A1 cell. Step 2, type to stay A2 cell. Step 3, now select both the cell A1 to A2. Step 4, move the cursor to the small blank square at the lower right corner of the cell. The shape of the cursor will change to a thin blank plus sign. Step 5, now hold and drag the cursor down next 5 cell that is still A7. Step 6, the weekdays from Wednesday to Sunday will appear in the cells. Okay, thank you.